Hey everyone, this is Toua with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I am here with Ryan, and we will be talking about the Hydroblast.
The power of the Hydroblast.
Alright guys, to start off this video, I'd like to tell you guys about what the Hydroblast is. So basically it's just a large parts washer that's contained in a large work area.
The Hydroblast is housed in the same cabinet as our VH800 series. So it's 33 by 30 by 28, and it's incredibly robust. Actually, we can kind of show a video here where we dropped one off of a 60-foot man lift, I believe. And the thing suffered like little damage, which is pretty incredible to me. So this is an incredibly robust cabinet. It is made out of the HDPE material that we use. And to explain more about the Hydroblast, it is a high pressure parts washer. Like you said, it blasts at around 1700 PSI. So it's gonna do an incredible job of cleaning any part that you put inside of it. And it does only use just water and some additional detergents if you choose to add those. We only use aqueous-based detergents because they're not going to affect the pump inside the machine. We actually do sell our own proprietary cleaning solution, and it does a very good job of cleaning off any grease, grime, contaminants that are on your parts.
So who uses the Hydroblast?
I would say the Hydroblast is a mechanic's best friend. Most of the Hydroblasts that we have sold have went to a mechanic shop or even like a hobbyist, because it's so amazing to be able to pull a part off of a vehicle, put it in there, clean it up, not have to worry about the abrasive being left on the part or anything of that nature. So you can clean that part up, put it back on the car. It helps you go through more customers. So like mechanics are able to generate more money because they're not having to waste as much time trying to degrease these parts or pressure wash them. They can just put it in there, it's heated water, it's at their disposal whenever. And also they don't have to worry about going outside, because I know like currently right now it was 32 degrees out. So you can do this in your shop no matter what time of year it is. And yeah, to answer the question, mechanics love this thing. And we have a ton of different people that use it for different reasons that I hadn't even thought of whenever we started rolling the Hydroblast out, because it's such a basic principle, but it's so versatile that you can really use it and achieve whatever high pressure results you need.
All right, so I know you said filter earlier, so how does that filter work with our Hydroblast? If you could tell me a little bit more about it.
So in contrast to a lot of the popular parts washers that are on the market today, specifically the ones that recirculate, a lot of those use a sedimentation style filter. So it's simply just the water runs into a barrel, it's allowed to drain, and then it's continuously recycled so your sediments fall. In our Hydroblast, it is different. So there is a plate that sits under the floor, because if you look in this machine, it looks very similar to an 800 style cabinet, but underneath the floor where you're actually going to be working, again, there's a plate, and on that plate there are filters that catch anything that you actually blast off of your parts. And what this does is it allows you to easily change those filters and not have to drain off the water as much, because with those sediment style parts washers, when the water is put in there, it contaminates the entire water. But the reason that we have those filters in place under the floor is so that your water stays clean and you can just easily take those out, wash them out, and put them back in. They are reusable, by the way, and you can buy replacement ones. We try and make it as simple as possible to keep the machine up and running, and also as easy to service as we can.
Then I need to get one then.
Absolutely. I would say that they are the best addition one can have to a vapor honing unit, or just a standalone cabinet. Because like I said, if you don't necessarily need the polished look that a vapor honing cabinet gives, you just want to degrease parts, there's no better way to do it. There really isn't, because you don't have to worry about the abrasive being left in a part. So say you're doing intake manifolds or something as complicated as that head over there, which, pull that in there by the way. This was done in one of our vapor honing machines and it looks fantastic. But if you don't need results like this, you're just wanting to clean it, it is the best option because it's so simple. You don't have to worry about anything in your parts, and it just, again, increases your time specifically for your mechanics out there.
So Ryan, watching a few of the videos, you also mentioned saying that the Hydroblast was one of the greatest kept secret from vapor honing. Why is that?
I think a lot of people just don't know about the Hydroblast, and also people undervalue it. But every time someone buys a Hydroblast and we do our follow-up call, whenever they purchase it with the correct end goal in mind, like again, if you're a mechanic who's trying to just blast parts and degrease them super fast, the Hydroblast always exceeds their expectations because it truly is just so good at what it does. I mean, if you have a part that is greasy, it is going to take the grease off. No, it's not going to treat the surface, but the reason it doesn't treat the surface is because it doesn't have media in it, and that's one of its biggest benefits. So to me, the Hydroblast is one of the best kept secrets here at Vapor Honing because it performs so well and it fits a very crucial need.
All right, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow us on all our social media. And if you guys have any questions, let us know by commenting below. And Ryan, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, and if you guys have any specific applications that you would like to see the Hydroblast tested on, please leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to do that. And actually, if you guys are ready to get this amazing equipment in your shop or company today, you can reach us at 828-202-5563. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have and get you set up again with this outstanding equipment. And we are here and ready to help you get the results that you need today.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.
Peace.